ingredient is super easy to lay your hands on, and it's a good old lemon. First reason is that it is a very good source of this alpha hydroxy acid called citric acid, which helps your skin renew at a much faster pace. So therefore you can expect your skin to look clearer, more glowing and radiant. The second reason is that it is such an awesome source of vitamin C, and vitamin C helps us build collagen. Means with constant regular usage, our skin can look firmer and more toned. Why should we be concerned about using lemon on our skin? The answer to this is that it's an extremely bad idea. Never ever do it. Lemon juice is very concentrated, very potent, and it hits your skin neat, undiluted. Then it can cause a lot of sensitivity. It can also cause your skin to become photosensitive. You can develop a lot of sun-related damage. So if you're going to use it as part of a home remedy, then follow directions very closely. I have shared so many home remedies, and many of them you can find under the education page at our website apsaraskincare.com. I will recommend you get information about our Rosehip and Citrus nightly serum. Use about a drop or so before going to bed every night. And in addition to so many natural ingredients in this product, it also contains lemon essential oil, which is wonderful for your skin.